Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you field goal kicking tutorial. In the beginning let's go to tutorials and go to field goal kicking. Now, aim the kick with LS, then press A to start the meter, control the power and control the accuracy of the kick. Adjust the aim of the kicking using LS and press A. The more windy it is, the more arc the arc will sweep. Control the arc with LS. For longer kicks, hold LS down to adjust the arc range. Adjust the aim of the kick using LS, then press A. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.